Now, in particular integral, today we discuss the second problem. Earlier we have seen the exponential function, and today we will discuss the trigonometrical functions. So our question is, solve d square plus d dash square equal to cos mx plus ny. Okay, so how can we solve this type of problem? So first we find the complementary function, and thereafter we find the particular integral to solve this homogeneous linear differential equation of higher order. So first we find the auxiliary equation. So solution part takes, let its auxiliary equation be, so what is auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0. I hope you all understand how can we find auxiliary equation. So now here m is what? Plus minus I. Since this is a complex root, so here we will write the function of the form. So here are the two distinct roots. First one is what? Plus I, and second one is minus I. So we write the complementary function as f1 y plus ix. Since we have this I and this is used for d, and that's why we will put this I with x. So we will write y plus ix and then plus f2 y minus ix. So this is the complementary part. Now the pi part. So for the pi part, you will write it as 1 by d square plus d dash square into cos mx plus ny. Now this is equals to. So what the rule is? Rule is first we put this mx plus ny equals to t. So now here we put mx plus ny equals to t. Therefore pi equals to. So what is pi? So pi equals to 1 by d square plus d dash square into what? Cos t. And what we have to put? We have to put here double integration and then dt. So this is equals to 1 by m square plus n square. Why we have put it m? For d, the coefficient of x is m, so we will put d equals to m. The coefficient of y is n, that's why we have put it here, d dash equals to n. So this is n square. And integration, first we integrate this part, so we will get sine t dt. Now this is equals to 1 by m square plus n square, and again integration, what we get? Minus cos t. So this is equals to what? Minus cos mx plus ny divided by m square plus n square. And therefore its complete solution is z equals to, okay, here it is not written, but it is understandable that it is your function of z. So z is cf plus pi, and this is equals to what? The cf part as f1 y plus ix plus f2 y minus ix, and then minus cos mx plus ny divided by m square plus n square. So in this function, since it is so easy, we have not solved or we have not to solve this function in any other function. This is directly we will put t equals to t, and thereafter for double integration we are getting solution as minus cos t, and thereafter we put the value of t as mx plus ny, and this will give us the pi of this function. So let us see some another question of this topic, and the question is, okay, so let us see the question. The question is, del 2z by del x2 del 2z by del y2 equals to cos mx into cos ny. Here the function is given in the multiple of two functions, that is in terms of trigonometric function, but the multiple of two trigonometric function, that is cos mx and then cos ny. So what we do is here is that first we divide this function into two separate parts. How can we do this? So let us take the solution of this question. So first we find the auxiliary equation. So let the auxiliary equation be, m square plus 1 equals to 0. So this implies m equals to what? Plus minus I. And therefore, your CF is, as previously we have done, F1 y plus ix and plus F2 y minus ix. Fine. Now pi part. So for the pi part, this cos mx into cos ny divided by d square plus d dash square. This one, na? But it is very difficult to write this function as the integration of two parts. So here we first find this function as ax plus by. Why this? Because we are putting here t equals to ax plus by, and the function is not in the form of ax plus by. So first we reduce this function in the function of ax plus by. So we know that हमें पता है that cos mx into cos ny. So what we will write? By dividing 2 and multiplying 2, we will change this equation in the form cos mx into cos ny. So this is equals to what? Half cos mx plus ny and then plus cos mx minus ny. This one. Okay. So therefore, what this pi? Our pi can be written as, so here the pi equals to, so your pi is what? Half cos mx plus ny plus cos mx minus ny divided by d square plus d dash square. Now we put this as half double integration of what? So cos t plus we will first let the bifurcate this equation in two terms by taking this one as half cos mx plus ny and thus divided by d square plus d dash square, and again we separate this function as half cos mx minus ny divided by d square plus d dash square. Okay, now we apply the function. So what we see here is that this function is equals to, now half 1 by d square plus d dash square. Now we put a double integration while putting this t and then dt. While substituting this term as t and dt, we put here what? D equals to what? M and d dash equals to n. So this is your m square plus n square and then plus half. Again we have half m square plus n square double integration cos, let's put this one as t1, so dt1 and then dt1. Okay, where t is what? So mx plus ny and t1 is what? So mx minus ny. Now we have pi as half cos t dt dt m square plus n square and then plus half 1 by m square plus n square cos t1. So here is first we find the solution of this one. So half 1 by m square plus n square integration. First we get the cos t dt and then plus half. Here is our cos t1. So we are getting here the sin t. Again we are having sin t1 dt. Okay. And then here is 1 by m square plus n square. Now this is equals to half 1 by m square plus n square is taken the common. So while integrating this part, we are living with minus cos t, and by integration of this part, we are living with minus of cos t1. So this is equals to what? Half 1 by m square plus n square. So minus is taken the common. So here is cos mx plus ny minus cos mx minus ny. So this is what? This is our pi part. Therefore, the complete solution is z equals to cf plus pi, and this is equals to what? f1 y plus ix plus f2 y minus ix minus half 1 by m square plus n square into cos mx plus ny, and then we have, this is plus cos mx minus ny. So this is the second question of the type 2. So I hope you all understand very well. In the next day we will come with the type 3 questions. Thank you.